Hello everyone! In this lesson, you'll be learning how to make a healthier version of caramel walnuts without using oil or butter like many other recipes. Walnuts are a powerhouse of important nutrients for optimum health. These quick and easy candied walnuts are perfect for snacking, holiday gift giving, or even a topping for sweet and savory food. Let's begin. To prepare the caramel walnuts, preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the walnuts into a bowl and add the maple syrup. Mix to evenly coat the walnuts with the maple syrup. Pour the walnuts onto a lined baking tray. Then sprinkle the sesame seeds to cover all the nuts. Spread the walnuts on the baking tray to allow enough room for air circulation. Then bake the walnuts for about 7 to 8 minutes until fragrant and slightly darker brown. Once done, remove immediately from the heat and transfer to a plate to stop the cooking. These maple and seed candied walnuts are perfect finger food with drinks or sprinkle on your favorite